So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Craft Professional. So today we got back something like more needed for haircut, which is called a round layer haircut. It's very much demanding nowadays with the audience, and they are expecting more haircuts to the repracticing purpose, and even models also expecting more good ambience of the fit to the according to the hair length top to bottom, which can be connect the layers, and it will visible more of fluffy and volumized hair. So that's why I just again consistently in this third time this model going to back to the same round layer haircut. So as it is the sections we take with previous what we done, and as it is we're just going to follow the same the techniques and all. If you're really new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So I explained help up to the comb, and finally I'll start with the one length basic. One length basic, it will be carry forward something fundamental of the creating the layers on for a guideline. After that, I center profile I pick, and rest of the head adding the layers, a thin sections, step by step. One side section is got finished. After that, I'll come to another side. The same sectioning and elevations with step by step small section pick and cut the hair. So after this, I'm just going to check cross. So finally I'll start with the side portion, as it is taking a one length basic before start the layering. After that, I pick from the stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. After that, I'm cross checking. Finally, I'll come to another side. The same way the previous side what I followed, and same thing I'm following this side too. And stationary guideline pick from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. After that, I'm cross checking. Finally, I'll come to this big round horseshoe section center portion. It's merging as layer in center of the crown, and adding more layers one in center, and slightly overlapping from both the sides towards the center. After that, I'm cross checking, and I'll come to another side. and the whole bulk of the section I pick and just going to be chopped complete of the one section in layers, and after that I'm cross checking that too. And finally I'll come to the fringe portion. I'm giving small section and giving a layer like fringe curtain bands. And after that I'm just blowing the hair. And the side too. And I'll come to the side portion. After that I'll come to another side. Finally I'll come to the center of the crown. And last fringe section, and styling part will going to be finished. So release the complete of the after haircut, complete the finishing of the presentation. You may can just see how it's flowing the layers and looking was completely connected and mesmerizing blowness in the layers. So this is a complete of the round layers final finishing. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. From the front you can just visible like this completely the texture finishing. And after that I'm just showing by the side base. So after that I'm just going to be add the texture, and that will be a final finishing after the complete haircut. After that texture is going to be finished completely, and the center of the profile the same thing I'm just going to be add, and finally I'll come to with curtain bangs the finish. of it. So this is my complete of the final finishing up to the round layer haircut. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until take care and be safe.